Here's the tonneau cover lock cylinder inside the soft top storage compartment. To get at it, we had to remove the trim panel that's above the pump here. To remove the trim panel, we had to remove 6 rivet style tabs. You pull the center rivet out or up, and then you pull the tab out, and after 6 tabs have been removed, your plastic cover is off. And there we have the tonneau cover lock cylinder that has 2 ball joints. Now, before we get to the ball joints, let me show you the hose clip removal first. This cylinder is easy to remove. It's kind of fun. First thing we want to do is cut this zip tie here so that the hose can be turned. Yep, there we go. And the trick to removing the hydraulic line clips, the hydraulic line clips slide in the rail here, and they are kind of tight when they're on the fitting, so you need to loosen them up a little bit. That's best done while the cylinder is firmly in place. Easily done on the bottom end here, where you just put your small flat screwdriver against the back of this clip, tap the screwdriver a little bit, and that creates a gap behind the fitting that's big enough to get your screwdriver into it, and then pry that fitting loose so that it can be slid out. And oops, this one is pretty tight. Here we go, it's out all the way. We want to avoid grabbing it with pliers and flattening or bending it, so better do it the way I showed it. On the front hose, I would like to remove the Hall effect sensor first. In order to do that, I do tilt or turn the front hose forward because I want to get a small flat screwdriver under this travel sensor to lever it up a little bit, then get my screwdriver in the gap here between the sensor and the cylinder. The sensor is out. I did that so that I can now do my little tapping trick again, where my small flat screwdriver is at the end of the clip, and I tap it a little, created a gap big enough to get the screwdriver in here between the fitting and the clip, and that gives me the leverage to push that clip out. This one again is a little tight. Sometimes you can just slide in my hand. This one needed a push with a screwdriver. Now we just pull the hoses out. 55 on the shaft end, and hose number must be 54, no, 56 on the bottom. The rule of thumb is odd hose number near the shaft and even hose number at the bottom. Now the ball joint clips. If we want to focus a little bit on this, here's the ball joint with a clip on it, and here's my small flat screwdriver going under the gap between them and walking the clip about 1/8 of an inch outside its groove. You don't want to take the clip off all the way because it's hard to put it back on. Just walk it off a little bit, and that spreads it and allows you to take the ball joint off the ball. So let me demonstrate that in the front. Whoops! Wow, that was genius. So don't do that. If you if you push against the lock, the fluid comes out of the cylinder. So I maybe wish I should have simply done this loosening of the circlip before taking the hoses out. Well, live and learn. Okay, I've moved both clips off the ball joints, and now I can simply take this off. And the old cylinder is out. New cylinder can go in. So I put it on the bulbs. This time I put my hall sensor on first, then I do line 55. Now our cylinders always come with bags with O-rings in them. There's 4 O-rings per bag. You need only 2 O-rings per cylinder, but we give you a couple spares. What you need to do is put the O-ring on the fitting first, then ease the fitting into the cylinder at a right angle. You don't want to force anything. This one just walked in there easily. So don't force it, or you might kink the O-rings. Just have the fitting at a right angle and simply push it in there. Now we do line number 56. Put an O-ring on it first. Line it straight at a right angle above the cylinder. Ease it in there, no force. Okay. The fitting is in. And I have the clip back in place. Now I only need to zip tie, replace the zip tie that I took off earlier. Well, I don't see it. Ah, here it is. Zip tie the hall sensor wire to the hose. Flush cut. And done. Ta-da!